So let's do it. This challenge is gonna be the what's in my refrigerator challenge, cause I'm real classy. Alright. 1 orange, because we like oranges apparently.
All the small things, true care, truth brings. I'll take 1 lift.
My addiction, raspberry lemonade. Guilty. It is a frozen water bottle with my name on the lid.
Watching, waiting, commiserating.
I think this is a teething ring, but that's weird because we don't have babies. It for the refrigerator challenge. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't touch me. Get away. That's good. Alright, that was the refrigerator challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed. And see you guys next time.